to their development. The ancient Mesopotamia and ancient Egyptians, they were used for to store the food and preparing the food in their daily use. They were using. Next, Hindu civilization. Hindu Valley civilization, they were used for advanced finance to utilization of their producing the high qualities of production. The Chinese, they were used to they released the how to store the food in the pots for so many days. Next, cultural and symbolic significance. The cultural and symbolic significance that we have in our India, there are so many significant culture. For example,
the paper objective consists of three objectives: to analyze the uses and usage of alternate movement and identify the perceived benefits and drawbacks of alternate movement, identify the barriers and recommendation of alternate movement.
Objective is framework to study, to analyze, to know others, framework. Objective even very simple. More simple ಅರ್ಥದ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅರ್ಥದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಡಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಪ್ಪೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ 100% ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ
ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? 6 ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
50.
50.
Yes, sir. 50.
Gap.
the modern movements were
Gap. Research statement of the problem. What is this gap?
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So in this research paper, we have to collect the primary data throughout the survey. In this questionnaire, self-structure questionnaire, throughout the online questionnaire, was being distributed 50 students at BIMS students and in the area of IIMR college. The questionnaire consists 20 questions and secondary data was generated by the journals, website and books regarding for the proposal study. We have to use the sampling method, that is purposive sampling, that was used to focus our student opinion about the using of
Purpose of sampling. Why purpose of sampling?
purposive sampling is a judgmental sampling. Regarding from the researcher opinion, they have to select the perfect respondent to the research.
Why active not
We have to give the theme of vocal for locals. Vocal for local. And that way, it is a local things where we have to give the local importance and the things become the vocal. So at that way, we have to choose this thing.
You tell me the purpose of your study.
To know the observed people is
Now, purpose. What is that you are going to prove? ಈಗ ಆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir, I have to use BMS student. Ayurvedic, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. So on that way they have to use
ಅವ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಯಾರು
ಅದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 2047 health is important. So they have to study the practitioner of the health practitioner. So they are ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So on that way, the practitioner have get the awareness of alternative treatment. So on that way, people become motivated.
ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್
Objectives.
ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ಥಮಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ
So ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ